Today we'll find the first, second, and third derivatives of y equals natural log of sine x. Let's solve this step by step. Let's start with finding the first derivative. Using the chain rule, we know that the derivative of natural log of u is 1 over u times the derivative of u. Here, u is sine x, so we get 1 over sine x times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. This can be simplified to cotangent x, since cotangent x is defined as cosine x over sine x. Now, for the second derivative, we need to differentiate cotangent x. The derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x. For the third derivative, we need to differentiate negative cosecant squared x. Using the chain rule and product rule, we get negative 2 times cosecant x times the derivative of cosecant x. The derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotangent x. Let's simplify this further. Remember that cosecant is 1 over sine, and cotangent is cosine over sine. Substituting these in, we get 2 cosine x over sine cubed x, which is our final answer. Let's summarize our results. Starting with y equals natural log of sine x, we found the first derivative is cotangent x, the second derivative is negative cosecant squared x, and the third derivative is 2 cosine x over sine cubed x.